China has just pulled the curtain back on its most ambitious unmanned combat aircraft yet, the Type B stealth fighter drone. Revealed at a parade in Beijing, this massive tailless aircraft with futuristic lines, DSI air intakes, and hidden weapons bays signals a leap towards supersonic, stealthy, next-generation UCAVs. What makes this drone so special? Its size alone matches a J-10 fighter, making it one of the largest known Chinese combat drones. But the details tell an even bigger story: a diamond-shaped wing, serrated engine nozzle for radar reduction, and internal weapons storage that hides missiles and bombs from detection. Experts say the Type B is designed for more than reconnaissance. It can fly at supersonic speeds, carry a heavy payload, and even perform air superiority missions, something no operational drone in the world has achieved so far. On its nose, an advanced electro-optical system similar to the F-35's EOTS allows precision strikes and real-time targeting. Compared to its rivals, the US is still testing concepts under the Collaborative Combat Aircraft (CCA) program, while Russia's S-70 Okhotnik is in development, but neither has showcased a drone with this level of fighter-like capability. China's unveiling of the Type B is a clear message. It wants a future where unmanned stealth fighters fly alongside manned jets, reshaping the balance of power in the Asia-Pacific and beyond. If it enters serial production, this could become the world's first operational unmanned stealth fighter, a historic milestone in aerial warfare.